Shamel and Sham versus.
Versus.
So now we're gonna unbox our kind of gift, but not really a gift, but a little bit of gift.
What are you wearing? What are you wearing?
Okay, so it's a laptop table or study table.
And this thing, my favorite.
Yeah, and this is her gift. This is Mom's gift for her. So say hi, Mama. Say hi, Papa.
Papa.
Hi. I said hi. Oh yeah. He smiled. Okay, so I'm so excited. Okay, so my sister's color is pink. Oh, I'm so sweaty. See, and mine is black. It's supposed to be green, but black is okay. Okay, so here it is. OMG. Oh no.
Color. This is my color pink.
Okay, so let's open the pink first. But no, ako. Abdul ako.
No way.
Kita yung mag... Oh, jeez. I just... Oh, there. Okay, so maybe if Mayan will use the laptop later, over time, maybe she will use her table.
Yeah.
But no,
Aww.
she's just gonna use the cell phone, not the laptop. Oh, so this one is pink. I don't know if you can read this. And the other one is black. So there are two boxes, but it looks like only one because they placed tape on it. So yeah, and I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Bugata mo dali mo din bahal kayo og
Uy!
shipment ingon siya pila man
So,
ay.
I
Balik
love
wala no? Mahala.
Okay, now go, 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 go. Okay, so there. So we won't touch it because you know about the COVID-19 virus. It's virus. There. Oh, so excited.
You wanna open the
No, I'm just gonna open. I'm just gonna open the black one. August 15, my birthday. Let's just open the pink. And let's see if it's good. It's nice. The quality's good, and yeah, whatever.
You excited po yan?
Yeah.
Oh, oh.
Waiting for
Where's the-
this one.
Yeah.
Practice.
How many
Oh.
hours?
Oh yeah, she did it. Okay, now excuse me.
Here because it's
Really?
Okay, so anyways, we waited this for the whole afternoon. I know what it's afternoon.
taas na kayo.
Wow. Okay, so we're gonna be right back when it's open. Ooh, oh, I look so weird. Okay, guys. Okay, so unfortunately, there's a little dent. I don't know if that's a real word for it, but just a little. So I think it's okay. Wow, this is really good.
Ah, you can study hard.
Oh, wow. It looks so good.